1934 to 1935 Melbourne Centenary Commemorative coin. This coin is scarce, valuable, beautiful, and is dripping with history. In short, it has it all. Released in 1934 to commemorate the settling of Melbourne 100 years prior, the Melbourne Commemorative Florin is one of only 4 commemorative florins produced, and the only commemorative florin that was not released directly into circulation. The others being the 1927 Parliament House, 1951 50 Years of Federation, and 1954 Royal Visit commemorative florins. Each of these coins had a mintage of 2 million, admittedly not large mintages, but substantially larger than the 75,000 coins minted for the Melbourne commemorative coin. Instead of being released into circulation, the government of the day decided the coin would be sold for 3 shillings, a 50% premium. The funds raised were then to be used to help pay for the centenary celebrations. It turned out the public was not as fond of the idea as the government thought they would be. The coins did not sell well, and of the 75,000 struck, 21,000 were returned to the mint to be melted and used for future coins. It turned out that a large quantity of the remaining 57,000 pieces were gifted to the customers of Foy & Gibson, one of the earliest and largest department store chains in Australia. The coins were given out in paper pouches that described the coin, but also pointed out the coin was issued in the same year that Foy & Gibson commenced the erection of their great department store at the corner of Burke and Swanston Street in Melbourne. Melbourne Centenary coins can still be found within those original pouches, and when the pair are in good condition, the value of both are considerably enhanced. In my opinion, this coin stands out amongst the other commemorative coins, with the reverse side of the coin's depiction of a naked rider astride an impressively sculptured galloping horse. Flames from the torch held in the rider's upheld hand swept rearward due to the speed of his mount. This design by Percy Metcalfe would not be used on another coin. The George Kruger Gray designed obverse is almost as impressive, with its deeply struck image of a robed and crowned George V, King Emperor. In early 2024, allcoinvalues.com gives an estimated value of $215 for a coin with a VG grading, up to $840 plus for a coin graded as uncirculated.